Hi guys, welcome to Rack Studio. In this video, I'll be showing you how to create a YouTube channel. First of all, to create a YouTube channel, you need to have a Google account. If you don't have a Google account, you can create one. You can either create a personal account or a brand account. I prefer that you create a brand account. If you create a brand account, you can give permission to someone, like to edit your channel as a manager or editor. But if you create a personal account, you need to give your user ID and password to them to edit your channel. After you create a Google account, you need to sign in to YouTube. After you sign in to YouTube, click on your YouTube profile picture in the top right corner and then click Create a Channel. And now we should get started. I prefer that you select Use a custom name, create a channel using a brand or other name and picture. Because if you select that, it will create it, you will not able to put a custom name and a custom profile picture. Now we should name our channel. I am naming it as Rack Studio. And now we should click create. And now we have created a YouTube channel. See, your channel Rack Studio has been created. And now we should upload a profile picture. And now I'm going to upload the profile picture of Rack Studio. And now we can put description. If you know what videos you're going to upload in your channel, you can just put your description now. Or else if you don't know, you can put it later. And now we should add links to our sites, like we should put our website and link of our Facebook, Twitter and Instagram. We can set up this also later. Now let's click save and continue. And now we have created our YouTube channel. Now we should click customize channel. Now we should add a channel trailer and a featured video for returning subscribers. And now we should click branding. And now we should put a banner and a watermark. We can put a subscribe watermark on our YouTube channel's profile picture. And now click done. And now basic info. Now here we can edit the description and we can also edit our channel's name. And we have to put an email address and the links. And now we should click publish after we edit everything. And now we should click settings. And now go to channel. And now here we can select our country of residence. And we have to select this. We have to put whether our content is made for kids or not made for kids. Or we can select I want to review this setting for every video. I have selected this. And now upload defaults. Description, visibility, everything should be public. So I'm clicking public, advanced settings, comments. Now we can edit this. Here we can put allow all comments, hold all comments for review, disable comments. I'm putting hold potentially inappropriate comments for review. And now we should click functions and now community. And now here we have to put the same hold potentially inappropriate comments for review. And now we should click save. Now we have created a YouTube channel. Thank you guys. See you in the next video.